Sakal Gunaarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Sri Hari, Lord Sri Krishna, resided at Hastināpur for a few months to pacify his relatives and please his own sister, Subhadra. Krishna was to start for Dvaraka, his own kingdom, after the battle of Kurukshetra and Yudhishthir's being enthroned, but to oblige the request of Maharaj Yudhishthir and to show special mercy to Bhishmadev, Lord Krishna stopped at Hastināpur, the capital of the Pandavas. The Lord decided to stay, especially to pacify the aggrieved king, as well as to please Subhadra, sister of Lord Sri Krishna. Subhadra was especially to be pacified because she lost her only son, Abhimanyu, who was just married. The boy left his wife, Uttara, mother of Maharaj Parikshit. The Lord is always pleased to satisfy his devotees in any capacity. Only his devotees can play the parts of his relatives. The Lord is absolute.